Hello, welcome to a short tutorial on course copying your Blackboard course from one semester to another, as well as your Vantage course. So to begin with, you're going to go into your empty shell, and this is the Ultra version. You're going to go into Add Content and click on that. And then you want to copy content. And then in here, you're going to search and you're going to copy your course that you want to copy. So just to let you know, you can copy both an original view, Blackboard course. So if you're switching over from original view to the new Ultra view, you can copy your last semester's course from the original view and it'll populate into the Ultra view. I'm going to go ahead and just populate using an Ultra view course that I have. So I will select this and then I'm going to start copying. While this is copying, we're going to go to vantage.sagepub.com and click on that. We're going to find our course that I want to copy. Go to the little cogwheel above the cover of the book. Click on that. Select copy. Now here you can change anything. Something last semester you can change it. This semester I'm going to go from change it to spring 2025. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do my course end date first. This is for my summer. I'm going to end it in August. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my start date. It's going to be May. Now we're going to go ahead and click next. And from here, if there's anything that I want to edit, I can go ahead and do that. So if there's something in the gradebook settings or the global assignment settings that I wanted to change from last semester, I can do that by clicking on the little pencil icon, which is the edit icon. I'm going to go ahead and use exactly what I used last semester and then click complete. So my course has been created. Go back to my Vantage instructor dashboard. I will see my new course. And here's my new course. If you have inclusive access, or the first day book access, you would notice a pending here for inclusive access. You just need to call your rep or send lmssupport@sagepub.com an email and let us know to turn it on for you, and we'll do that. So now this is done. We're now going to go back into our Blackboard course. That should be copied as well, which you can see the information here in our new course. I'm going to go and click on any Vantage link. So I can come here and click on week 1, chapter 1. I can go to a reading. Go ahead and just do the chapter quiz. I'll select that. Now this is going to be the pairing part. So now, since we just went and created our course in Vantage while we were waiting for the Blackboard course to be copied, I'm going to select pair your LMS course to an existing Vantage course because we have already created that or copied that course. So let's select that. And then now I'm going to choose my course. And so now we've selected that chapter 1 quiz. Now all of my links and grade syncs are linked to my new course in Blackboard. And to show that, we can go ahead and go back to another link. Let's go to Let's Get Started. And we can click on the student dashboard. It's going to take us right to that dashboard. So you can go back into a couple of different links just to check, to verify. And there is my new course that I created. Here's the student dashboard. If we go into the gradebook, you're going to see your columns in the gradebook for all of the items that we have listed. I only did 2 chapters. They're here. Okay, that is our short and sweet tutorial for course copying in Blackboard Ultra. Thank you so much for joining us and have a great day.